Are you looking for the best 3D printer under $400? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Vinci Nano 3D Printer. The first thing noticeable in this printer is the name of the printer. Name is giving a clear hint that it is a nano printer. Therefore, the built volume of the printer is 4.7x 4.7x 4.7 inches. It tells the reader it is a compact printer that can fit in a small area of yours, and also it can be placed near your desktop or laptop on a table. The second thing that tells the reader is the remarkable design of the removable print bed. You can remove it with ease, and you will not face any hassle of breaking it. Besides, it is a fully enclosed printer that has one aim to secure your data, and they design it for safety. If we see the K12 Steam, then it is NGSS principles based. It is a little machine, but with significant prints, and there is hardly any need to adjust the setting of the material. Being a 3D printer, it is difficult to find a machine with such specifications. As for the software, there is no hard and fast rule to install it. Besides, it is a hassle-free installation of software. Moreover, this printer comes with free CAD along with slicing software. It is a user-friendly printer that is based on UI design. Besides, it will clear the path and will lead you from modeling to printing. These are some reasons it is known as a cheap 3D printer under $400. Number 2. 3D printer with build plate. The primary point that is remarkable about this printer is the size of the printer, which is 150 by 150 by 150 millimeters. There is a heated build plate in the printer and comes with a wide range of extruder temperatures. This temperature allows the printer to work efficiently with approximately most types of 1.75 millimeters filaments that are 3D. The screen is LCD, and a smooth startup of the printer comes with a manual. It has impressive performance with a single extruder and makes it the best resin 3D printer. As for the material, it has a wide range of PLA, ABS, wood, copper fill, steel fill, bronze fill, and other materials. You can also remove the magnetic plate. The all-metal hot end is capable of superior performance and prevents wear and tear, while the heat break design allows for efficient dissipation of heat. The sturdy metal base and side filament holder make it easy to use and change the filament. The easy-to-remove magnetic build plate makes the oftentimes messy and difficult removal of prints simple and straightforward. Flexible magnetic print sheet, automatic calibration with Wi-Fi connected. You can print from a Windows or Mac PC using a USB connection or can print from 3D model files stored on a microSD card, without the need for a PC connection of any kind. Number 3. Monoprice Maker Select. It is the best 3D printer kit as it allows you to work any filaments in the printer. The best compact and small size printer that is designed for a desktop. It will enable you to feature a first and small footprint with the design of an open frame. The printer comes with a ready-to-print specification as it includes a tester of the filament along with a micro SD card. There is also a heated nozzle of an aluminum build plate with a cooling fan. In this way, it prints many filaments. Besides, it comes with a complete kit of printers which has a sample card and model files. The heated build plate and wide range of extruder temperatures allow this printer to work with any type of filament, from basic filaments such as ABS and PLA, to more advanced materials. Featuring a small footprint and basic, open frame design, this 3D printer is compact enough for any desk. Unlike most other low-cost 3D printers, this printer ships fully assembled and has already been calibrated at the factory. We even include a microSD TM card with pre-installed models, so you can start printing right out of the box. Number 4. Longer LK4. The printer deals with a crisp touchscreen of 2.8 inches, which tells you it is easy to operate the machine. Therefore, it is the best dual extruder 3D printer. It has a recovery option that states its best feature. After the power loss, you can resume your printing from where it stopped. Besides, there is a sensor system in the printer and also filament detection. Motiv has a power supply safety option that means you can place the power supply under the flatbed to make sure it remains safe. Complicated parts such as cantilever, gantry, and nozzle have been assembled before leaving the factory. 90% of the assembly process is completed in advance. It saves 50% of the assembly time compared to other printers and ensure better printing quality. Easy to operate, brand new friendly UI to preview model and printing process on screen, offline printing. Say goodbye to the traditional manual knob screen. Better printing quality and durable with sturdy new frame. Stylish outlook. Resume printing after power loss, filament runout detection system automatically suspends printing when the filament runs out. This 3D printer is hidden designed, power supply placed under the flatbed to ensure user safety. And with the power of 280W, the heat bed temperature can up to 100 degrees Celsius within 4 minutes, 25% faster than other printers. Longer devoted to developing all kinds of 3D printers, we have a professional tech and after-sale team and provide 12 months warranty and 24 hours technical support.